Hi guys, weekly April 20th. This is the regular symbol supported version.
News to you. April 20th, 2020. Sharing happiness. Many people are staying home more now. They are helping to stop the spread of the coronavirus. Some people may feel sad or scared. People are sharing happiness to help others feel better. People are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. Some people are putting lights onto their homes. People are putting lights onto their trees too. Others see the bright lights at night. The lights can help others feel better.
So some people are putting lights on their houses and on their trees and their bushes to try to help make others feel better.
Some people play musical instruments on balconies, on porches, and in yards. Others in the neighborhoods listen to the music. They may sing or dance in their yards. The music can help others feel better.
So, music is a great way to feel happy. Most of my students love music. People are going outside and playing the instrument that they know how to play outside for everyone to enjoy.
Some people are making chalk art to share happiness. People draw with chalk on sidewalks and driveways. They write happy messages too. Others see the chalk art. The chalk art can help them feel better.
So chalk art can brighten people's moods. They see it, it's a pretty picture. It's another way to share happiness.
Some people are putting teddy bears into their windows. Others walk through the neighborhoods. They look for the teddy bears in the windows. They count the teddy bears they see. The teddy bears can help others feel better.
So some people are playing like a hide and seek with teddy bears. They put them in the windows so when you go walk around the neighborhoods, you can find them. My neighborhood has done this, but sadly I don't have any windows in the front of my home.
Some people are painting pictures of rainbows. They put the pictures into their windows. The pictures are colorful. Others see the pictures. The colorful pictures can help them feel better.
So just like the chalk art, pictures of rainbows and things in windows can help brighten somebody's mood.
Many people are staying home more now. They are not going to restaurants, movie theaters, schools, or playgrounds. People may feel sad about missing their friends. People may feel scared about the coronavirus.
So lots of people are worried and staying at home because of the coronavirus. So these small little things that we can do to help people feel better and brighten their day is good.
Sharing happiness can help others feel better. People are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. They are sharing happiness with lights, music, chalk art, teddy bears, and pictures. What can you do to share happiness?
So think about that. Talk to your supervisor or your parent about what are some things that you could do to brighten up some people's days in your neighborhood.
Illness in the news. Coronavirus. The coronavirus is a new illness. People want to stop the spread of the coronavirus. They are staying home to help stop the spread. The coronavirus makes some people very sick. It spreads quickly from person to person.
So a lot of people are staying home now, just like we are having school at home. because of the coronavirus.
Places in the news. Neighborhoods. People are sharing happiness in their neighborhoods. A neighborhood is a community. People live near each other in neighborhoods. A neighborhood may have houses, apartment buildings, trees, sidewalks, and street lights.
So if you guys have the ingredients, I can share this with you. And if you do try it, let us know if you liked it or what you thought was different about it. Make sure you log in to your PowerPoint and do the slides that are assigned to you. You guys have a great day.